Hello, my name is Florian Kronast and I'm the product manager for the Vivaris Zigbee light management system. Thanks for tuning in. Let me give you a quick overview of our Zigbee portfolio. The system was designed for office working spaces. So really a lot of renovations and also modernization projects where you do not need additional control lines. So here is the wireless technology fits best to this kind of projects. We have functions like automatic light control with our sensors for daylight harvesting as well as occupancy detection. For manual light control, we have a push button coupler that allows you to turn on and off the lights as well as dim the lights and also set some scenes. So this is our portfolio. As you can see, it's very compact and small, but it is enough to fulfill all of the office requirements. Let me start by introducing our Vivaris Zigbee control unit. So this is the heart of the system. This is where all the control happens, and also during the commissioning, the magic happens. In addition to that, I also set automatic light control. So we have two sensor versions. One sensor is an occupancy only sensor for storage rooms, and the other sensor is typically used in open office spaces as well as think tanks, wherever you need also a light sensor. For manual light control, we have our push button coupler. It fits in every flush box and it has 4 programmable inputs, so you can fully program it to your needs. So let's have a look what's inside the box. This is the Vivaris Zigbee control unit. As you can see, every product comes with a removable QR code on the product as well as on the user instruction that you can see on the bottom. This is used for later installation. We have a mounting clip and we also added some screws and dowels for safe installation. All the instructions on how to install the product safely you can find in the user manual below. Let's have a look at our sensor portfolio. On the left we have the light and occupancy sensor, and on the right the occupancy sensor only. As you can see, we have the sensors included in the packaging as well as some clamps in order to install the sensor correctly, and user instructions for safe installation. In case you cannot integrate the sensor in the ceiling, we have an adapter to that as well in our portfolio for this kind of installation. So this is our Vivaris Zigbee coupler. As you can see, it's a small device. Again, we have a QR code attached on the back side of the product as well as in the user instruction that you can see for later installation. For installing the product safely, please have a look in the user instruction. So as you can see, it's a very compact portfolio of our components, but nevertheless, in addition to the components, we also need luminaires. And therefore we have 11 type luminaires, we have panels, we have downlights, we have also linear and DV LEDs. So these are the most important products to be used in the office environment. But however, it could be the case that you need, for example, for the entrance area, a special kind of luminaire that we currently do not have in our portfolio. So therefore, I would like to present to you now an addition also in terms of components. It's the Zigbee to DALI converter. So with this device I can control up to 8 luminaires in broadcast mode. So this allows you to integrate any DALI 2 luminaire into our Vivaris Zigbee system. So this was the presentation of our Vivaris Zigbee portfolio. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.